Driver's side, British car, right hand drive anyway. There it is, just in the doorwell there, black trim. You heard the click, a finger gap. Allows us to get our fingers under the bonnet. And the lever's right in the middle, above the logo. And it's a lift, very easy. There it is there. Got automatic struts, which I like. So you do all your checks, oil, water, put everything back, don't leave any tools lying around. And then the recommended way, there's the mechanism there, is from 9 inches or a foot. Just drop it. You heard a good click there. And you just always double check it's properly closed. You don't want that flying up when you're going down the road.